Hello everyone, welcome to Kanen Coffee. Here we have a DeLonghi Magnifica Extra XS Espresso machine. The problem with this machine was that no steam and no water was coming from the spout. What we find out it was that the steamer was clogged with a piece of plastic inside, and after removing it, it was working perfectly fine. So let's test the machine. Starting with the steamer, and we also did a tune-up on this machine, replacing the brewer. As you can see, it's pretty bad. In there we replaced the o-ring from the generator or mechanical valve, and that's pretty much it. Descale the machine and make sure everything's working fine. Okay, now let's finish it now. Basically, your wire to make some pressure inside. But once you have it, and as you can see, it's working great. The pressure, the temperature, and it's good. Perfect. Yeah, working perfectly fine. Steamer working great. Let's make the machine cool off a little bit. Put some water in here, and as you can see, really good water flow, making a mess in there, but no big deal. And now let's do one shot of espresso. Good water flow, good color. Not giving errors and not leaks, except for all this water that unfortunately throw around the machine, but machine working perfectly fine. Okay, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day.